Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation on our concrete porch replacement job. Gabby got all the block laid yesterday. Another top-notch job. First class work all the way. 24-inch metal sidewall flashing. Our plan is we've got some M10 coming tomorrow. I'm gonna pack this with rubble in the M10, pack it up to the top. Then we use the 2x4s and 2x8s to make a lip, screw it onto the side of the block with tap cons, and the slab will set on top of these 4-inch block, and then we'll pour the stairs. It's a big improvement over what was here. That will essentially be what the finished concrete looks like. And then we're going to do a decorative wood plank finish, stamp finish on it. Call us if you've got any type of concrete work, any type of exterior repairs, foundation work, site work. We can handle it for you and get it right the first time. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.